Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So, stick around, it's a very short lesson, and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Venom with a skull. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners, like half Venom, half skull, you'll see it. Kind of a cool design, so let's hop right into the design, okay? I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna pull a line back, like right here. It's gonna be wiggly up to the top part of his eye. It's kind of wiggly, making it wiggly as heck. Curve over here, then pulling down over here. Right on. I'm gonna go over here and give it like kind of the edge of the smile. Over here. Mouth. Curve. Over here in this area. Just kind of zigzagging the teeth down. The teeth are going to be very obviously triangular. That's probably the easiest part about him, I think, is the teeth, right? Just more or less just a bunch of triangles. Hopefully having a great day. It's a good time to chill out, have fun, kind of do whatever. Just a great fun time. Good stuff. Gonna go over here on this side. Line up, curve down, and pull in. And that's going to be more of a normal, that's going to be like what Venom's skull would look like, because I'm going to go in here and I'm going to darken it in. So, I'm going to go over here, have a different marker. Well, it's the same marker, but I mean it has, you know, ink in it. Over here, a little bit light. I gotta put a little bit more on there. Sweet. Gonna go over here around the edge and kind of find the other side of that kind of skull area, cheekbone over here. And what I'm gonna do on this side is I'm gonna draw kind of that liquidy stuff right here. If that makes sense. Kind of liquidy on that side, on one side. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull the tongue this way and tongue this way. This tongue sticking out. Curve over here for the split in that tongue. Line down. Angle over here. Angle over here. Over here. Fill this out. Fill this out right here. Just kind of again, just the dark of the back of the mouth. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I'm putting videos 3 times a day. Go check it out. Line over here, line over here. And if you want, you can also fill in the top area here, right? At least most of it. We're going to leave a line right there. And I'm going to fill in the area around the eye, right? But not all of it, because we want it to be, we want a separation there, at least on the bottom. We want a separation between the lip and the dark part, right? The dark part leads into the mouth, and we don't want it to be too close, otherwise you're not going to be able to see anything. Fill it out here. In this area. Like so. I'm gonna go over here, this area as well. And there you go, that's a half Venom, half skull. If you want to make this look a little bit more like a skull, on the right, we can kind of dig in, like throw little dots and stuff right here. Like it's kind of like bone dry, stuff like that. If you like Spider-Man, if you like anything like that, don't forget to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, but also there's a free how to draw cute ebook. If you want to draw cute stuff, go get that ebook. The link is in the description. It's a very, very good ebook. Take a look at it. I know some people aren't. I mean, if you're on this video, you're probably not after drawing cute stuff, but it's always kind of cool to do that if you want. And if you want to learn how to draw in general, go to sketchingeasy.com and click on the dragon there. You're gonna find that very easily at the top. But I want to thank you very much. There you go. See, we're throwing dots everywhere for like a little texture, little dots, little lines. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much. You guys are amazing, and please hit me up. Very easy to reach. Stay, keep art ready. Okay, you got to keep art ready, meaning you're always ready to do some sort of art. Maybe keep a sketchbook on you. Stay art ready. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later.